All right, hello everybody. I'm Jeff McChesney. I'm the CEO and founder of TargetArm, and we launch and recover drones from moving vehicles, air, land, or sea. Now that might sound simple, but in reality, what we've done is we've created a solution for that allows us to do it at very fast speeds on any moving vehicle that we've got available to us. So imagine a set of troops that are going into hostile territory, and they have to stop to use a drone. Today, they have to get out to do that. And that stopping ends up causing a problem for them. It increases their vulnerability, it ends up creating an inefficiency in the operation, and it risks their lives. Worst of all is it actually violates the #1 rule of combat, which is to keep moving to stay alive. So we have a system called RALAR, a robotic arm launch and recovery system. It's patented with 3 patents and 1 that's pending and a bunch of others that, if I get more money, I'll end up going after. But it is drone agnostic. It is vehicle agnostic. We can do it over 65 miles per hour, and it's fully autonomous. Let's take a look at it right now. So you take a look at RALAR getting up ready to launch the drone. The drone comes away smooth and fast. Very comfortable launch off the vehicle. And now here's the recovery. The recovery is going to actually come in right now and just like that, captures it right out of the air. This is our clear competitive advantage to be able to take vehicles and actually put drones on them with no operator, no stopping. Throughout history, logistics has had the same problem, which is you had to stop to do anything, both the military and in the commercial side of the equation. On the military, using our system, we're able to keep troops safe. And on the commercial side, in the package delivery arena, we can take out 95% of the cost for the last mile delivery, from $5 down to 25 cents. In addition to that, there is a new set of executive orders that are accelerating drones in the airspace and the airspace opening up to drones. And right now, our timing couldn't be more perfect. We're extremely cash efficient. We've raised over $2.7 million and generated already over $5.5 million in contracts and over a little over $4 million in revenue. On the B2G side, we've got contracts with the Air Force, the Army, and Space Force. And on the B2B side, we've had contracts with Hyundai and Recon Rig. And next month, GM Defense is actually going to feature our RALAR device on their vehicles at the largest industry trade show in Washington, D.C. We're laser focused on our markets. Over 800,000 vehicles in just 2 markets that can carry our system in the United States. Each vehicle will actually carry a RALAR kit, about $75,000. We're planning on this year having over $1 million in revenue, and we're on track to do that. And by 2028, we'll have over $16 million raised. And that does not count for the Army magazines that we're currently working on right now with the Army to put 20 drones on each of the RALAR devices. Our team is built to execute. Okay, I'm a former F-15 combat fighter pilot and commander. I've been the CEO of Ray Dalio's family office, and this is my 6th startup. Ryan's got the experience in production, from R&D through to production, aerospace, both with Sikorsky and with UPS. Deep advisor network that we've got available to us with $1 billion exit, wide DoD experience, who's in the audience today. And we've got 3 accelerator networks to tap in for advisors. Our go-to-market plan is moving along very swiftly right now. All of these are laid out in a plan to actually compound each other from direct sales into distributors. Our mode advantage is that we've got patented technology. We have on-the-move capability with hands-free operations, and our market timing advantage is right in line with the executive orders. We're currently raising $10 million for Series A, and I'm looking forward to having any conversations with anybody.